Guys, in this the problem I am getting is that I have initialized master and slave, and master is writing to the slave. So SLA plus W send and acknowledge received by the slave, and master and slave also receives the SLA plus W and receives the this address and sends the acknowledge also. Then it sends the data also and received not acknowledged, and it also receives the data and send not acknowledged bit. Data is sent by also, but now when I send this stop command, stop thing, so as you can see here, my stop is not initiated. Okay, these are the binary bits of the TWCR inside my stop. So I have printed the control register and I have set TWINT, TWE and TWSTO. Then printed this register in its binary form, and then inside after the while loop also printed. So you can see here my TWINT bit is not set to 1 here, and I am not getting this. Why? Because I have set here 1, and because of this my stop bit is not sent properly by the master. So does in my slave also, in the slave also, TWI slave acknowledge stop bit also. When I pull this and when I print it, it shows me the status code of the last command. This is the status code for receiving the this data. Okay, A0. So just thing is that why is it not being set? TWCR, I have written this command 1 less than TWINT, but it is not set here. It should be here 1, but it is 0.